Verify angle identities. Want to verify or show that sine theta minus cos theta squared plus sine theta plus cos theta squared should be equals to 2. And we know this gives us sine squared theta plus cos squared theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta plus sine squared theta plus cos squared theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. That's what we get. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1, and then plus 1, and then plus 0, and the answer is 2. So we want to show that cos theta is equals to 1 minus sine theta tan theta over 1 plus sec theta. I want to prove that this part should be equals to this. And I can do that by doing a little bit of trick. So what I'll do is I'll carry over this 1 minus sine theta tan theta all over 1 plus sec theta. So I'm going to multiply with 1 minus sec theta, and I'll multiply also with 1 minus sec theta. So by multiplying with 1 minus sec theta over 1 minus sec theta is just like multiplying with basically 1. 1 minus. So I want to separate that. So it is sine theta tan theta. We know that sec theta is 1 over cos theta. So this gives me minus tan squared theta. And everything is divided by 1 minus sec squared theta. Theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. So if I divide through by cos squared theta by cos squared theta, I know that tan squared theta plus 1 is equals to sec squared theta. 1 minus sec squared theta is equals to minus tan squared theta. So where we have sec squared theta based on this part component that we have derived here, 1 minus sine theta tan theta minus tan squared theta divided by minus tan squared theta. So that's what I have. I can see a few components cancelling out, and this gives me 1 minus, so this is minus sine theta over tan theta plus 1. And we know that sine theta over tan theta becomes cos theta. It is 1 minus cos theta plus 1. And this gives me cos theta. Thus, the right hand side is equals to the left hand side. Is sine of pi minus minus theta, and we want to show that it's equals to sine theta. So we want to use this part, and we know that sine of pi minus theta is equals to sine pi cos theta minus cos pi and sine theta. We know that this will be equals to 0, and this is equals to negative 1. So that is 0 minus sine theta And that helps us to see that the left hand side will be equals to the right hand side. And 2 theta sine theta is equals to 2 cos theta divided by cot squared theta minus 1. The side that we want to use, we know that tan 2 theta sine theta is equals to sine theta times sine 2 theta all over cos 2 theta. And that gives us sine theta times 2 sine theta cos theta, because we know 2 sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. And then everything now we divide by cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Multiply with 1 over sine squared theta, 1 over sine squared theta, and that gives me 2 cos theta all over cot squared theta minus 1. And we want to show that tan of A plus or minus B is equals to tan of A plus or minus tan of B all over 1 plus minus or plus tan A tan B. So that tan of A plus or minus B is sine of A plus or minus B all over cos of A plus or minus B is given by sine A cos B plus or minus cos A, everything divided by cos A cos B. For cosine, things change a little bit. So what do I do with this? I'll multiply through by 1 over cos A cos B. 1 over cos A cos B. Why am I dividing with 1 over cos A cos B? Because I know sine over cosine gives me the tan. So because now I have A and B that affects everything into this equation, this becomes, and then that becomes tan A plus or minus cos A, and cos A will cancel out. I'll be left with sine B over tan B over cos B. That gives me tan B. And then on the lower part, I'll be left with 1 minus or plus tan A tan B. And that shows that our equation is true. And we say that tan of A plus B is equals to tan A plus or minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A and then tan B. And if you've liked the video, click the like button and subscribe.